Hey everyone, Chris Irick, Eleanor Associates. We're a manufacturer's rep based out of Hatfield, Pennsylvania. We cover southern New Jersey, eastern PA, and Delaware. One of the products I wanted to highlight for you guys today is Bluefire. So we came on board with a company called Bluefire just recently, and they provide torch tips, kits, as well as MAPP gas substitute and propane. So for your remodelers and small-time plumbers out there, this is right up you guys' alley. So we are looking for wholesale distribution too. So if you guys have any, if you're a wholesaler out there, or if you have a wholesaler that you would like to start stocking this product, let them know that we're the guys to contact in eastern PA, southern New Jersey, and Delaware, and we'd be more than happy to work with them and get them some pricing. So we'll jump right into it. Bluefire, like I said, we just came on board with these guys. This is our HB875B torch tip. So this is a swirl type tip. This is under our Expert series. So it has a self-igniter on it, and then it has a thumb screw in the back for your fuel volume control. So I'll do a quick demonstration here. Once I light this tip, it's going to stay lit until I either blow it out or relieve the gas pressure by shutting the thumb screw in the back or the throttle back. So like I said, we do have a thumb screw in the back, so that would act as a throttle if you want to throttle your heat down a little bit and get it in a smaller area, or if you're in tight quarters and you don't want it expanding past your brazing or soldering point. Then you can also open it wide open. Just for sake of talking, I'm going to turn it off. So I did turn the fuel off here. I'll give it a couple of ignites. No gas is flowing, so it is safe to properly store this at this point. Obviously, be careful because the tip's going to be hot. So that's our HB875B. Next up, we have our Bluefire HTS 8088. So this is our HTS 8088. This guy right here will be comparable to your Goss or Turbo Torch self-igniting torch tips. Oftentimes remodelers, small-time guys, even guys that are doing big jobs have these in their toolbox because it's a lot easier to pull this thing out with a canister than it is to break out an MC tank or a B tank if you just have a small repair, small job that you're working on. So again, connects right up to the tank, just thread right on. I'll go over some of the features real quick. So we do have a full metal body. Some of the other manufacturers out there actually have a brass on the inside with a plastic outer shell. We have full metal, so we have metal on the inside and also a metal housing on the outside. So it's going to be very durable for years of use to come. Our thumb screw or throttle in the back here is going to give you your gas flow. And with this particular torch tip, I can open the gas up and it will not flow through until the trigger is depressed. So that's one thing that is a little bit different about this torch tip versus the HB875B that I had showed you earlier. So our igniter's right here. So this is going to be our thumb trigger or our finger trigger. It does have a lock and unlock feature, so you can make sure that it is stored safely. With the lock feature, you cannot depress it, which will not ignite. So if for some reason there was gas flow through the thumb screw in the back and this thing knocked over, it's not going to self-ignite. So safety feature there, safety first. If that was turned on, there is a trigger lock on the top here. So once the trigger is depressed, you can lock the trigger on and have full function like I did with this guy here, where it's going to continually run. You don't have to actually have your finger on the trigger. You can, if you need to reach in, you can hold back on the tank or whatever you need to do at that point if you're thawing pipes or something like that. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of this guy here, and then we'll talk about some of the gas. So first I'm going to turn the fuel on in the back. So that is on. I'm going to make sure that this is turned in the on position as well. So that is in the on position now. I'll give it one click. I'm going to lock the trigger on so I can talk a little bit and show you. So I can throttle that back and have less of a flame, or I can throttle it up and have more of a flame. Again, give it a squeeze, let go, and it'll it'll go out. So you don't have to use the trigger lock feature. You could hold the trigger in as long as you wish, but if you're doing something for a while, you may want to keep that trigger depressed in and lock it in using the lock feature. So that's it in a nutshell as far as the torches go. We do have other tips and torch kits available as well. So if you have anything else of need, feel free to visit the website, which is bluefireusa.com. It's www.bluefireusa.com. You can find other things that we have available there as well. But we do have propane gas, so we have the blue propane tanks in the 16-ounce bottles, as well as our MAPP gas substitute. So this is our MAPP gas substitute. Again, it is a substitute. We're using 3 different compounds in our gas. And actually, with those 3 different compounds, it's doing a couple different things. We're able to put more in the can. So this same size can that other manufacturers have, I think they have 14.1 ounces in them. We have 16.1 in ours. So we're able to put more fuel in here. Translation, 14% more fuel equals to the contractor 30 to 45 minutes more burn time. So you're getting the basically paying the same price, and you're getting 14% more in the can. So contractors love this. They absolutely love it. Not to mention the fact that we're burning about 30 degrees hotter than your MAPP Pro. MAPP Pro is what other manufacturers are putting out there, such as Turbo Torch and some others. Worthington, if you look at the label, it says MAPP/Pro. It is a propylene type gas mixture that they're using, and we are using a 3-component compound that is lighter in weight, so we're able to get more in the can. So again, I can't say it enough. 14% more in the can. Translation, 30 to 45 minutes burn time extra for the contractor. Could be huge if you're out on the job doing a renovation, or you're in the middle of emergency work and nobody's open, and you need that extra little bit of gas to get you through. All right, so we warehouse this. We actually have it in stock here, so we have inventory here locally. If you're looking for small orders, 12 cases and below, we could possibly help you out locally where you can pick it up here. Larger orders, we can do full freight allowances. Give us a call. Our office number is 267-308-0500, or reach out to your local sales rep. Wholesalers, if you're looking for distribution opportunities, let us know. Get a hold of your local sales rep, or give a call into the office if you don't know who that is, and we can point you in the right direction, and we'll get you rocking and rolling. So be safe. It's Blue Fire, MAPP Gas Alternative, and Torch Tips. Give us a call for your opportunities, and we'd love to work with you. Be safe, guys. Take care.